Okay, boys and girls, here it is, the release of the Keyword Golden Ratio Empire Software 2.0. First of all, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Golden Keyword Ratio, and then I'm going to go into what the actual software does and how it can benefit you and help you out with your rankings. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to read some of the article that you can see here. The link to this will be in the description or on the page that you're on watching this video, because it can describe a lot more better than what I can in technical detail about what the keyword golden ratio is. But in a nutshell, the keyword golden ratio is a way to find keywords that you can rank for in 48 hours. Now, I would take that 48 hours with a little pinch of salt. It depends on the keyword, and it depends on a lot of factors. But anyway, it's a way that you can find keywords in your niche that you can rank for really quickly. So how does it do this? Well, there's a little bit of simple maths behind it. Like I said, I'm going to put a link to this article in the description so you can read all about success stories, a case study, etc., etc. But basically, as you can read here, the number of how the keyword golden ratio is calculated is the number of Google results for a keyword that has the phrase in the title divided by the monthly search volume. So, and we're looking for anything, we're looking for keywords that have a search volume of less than 250. Now, what that does when you do the maths for each keyword that you want to check, you get back a score, which is the keyword golden ratio score. Now, we're looking for anything that's under 1. Okay, so the software is going to take a list of keywords that you provide, okay, and then it's going to check what the keyword golden ratio score is for each one of them keywords. Now, anything that's a 1 or under is a keyword that's a go, meaning that you could write an article, you could post a video, you could use a parasite site or maybe a Medium article, etc., etc., and it will rank really, really well, because the competition for the keywords that it finds is low to none. Okay, so how does this all work? How do we find these golden nugget keywords, or these golden nugget keywords? Well, what you need to do is first you need a list of keywords that you want to target in your niche, and you want to make sure that the ones that you input into the software have a search volume of 250 or under. Okay, that's part of the rules. So how can you get these keywords? You've probably got a keyword tool in your arsenal, but if not, I've got some suggestions here. There's a brilliant tool here called Search Volume IO. Again, I'll put the link in the description. And what these guys here have given you access to is you're able to put up to 800 keywords in. So you can just copy and paste 800 keywords in, and it's going to spit back out you the keyword and the search volume. And then what you could do, you could take that and put it in Excel or anything like that, and just make sure that your cut down list is for keywords that are under of 250 or under in search volume. Okay, another option, and it's the one that I use, is Uber Suggest. It's really cheap. I think they do a free tier as well. I think my version costs about $5 a month, the scale I'm on. And you can put in, I've just to demo for you, put in game servers, and it's brought me back all these keywords, 313 suggested and 839 related. And then you can just filter them, and you can just say, where are we? Put a minimum of 10. And bear in mind, the search volume here is just for one country, the USA. So even if it comes back with, say, 50, bear in mind that there's a lot more searches for that. It's only for, in this case, the United States. So there you go. All these keywords would be really good to check if you're in the game servers niche. All these have a search volume of 250. Okay, so once you've got your list, again, if you're stuck with ways to find the keywords, let me know and I'll give you recommendations. The link for Uber Suggest and Search Volume IO will be wherever you're watching this video, in the description or on the page somewhere, so you can check these guys out. Search Volume IO for 800 keywords is absolutely free as well. Once you've got that list, you can come over to the Empire keyword golden ratio software 2.0, a bit of a mouthful. And this is how we can get started. This isn't a technical demonstration on how to use the bot. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to get set up and find them golden keywords that you can then use in your SEO campaigns. So you simply come up to the burger icon, you would show database, convert, import CSV. So it's just, you can have an Excel sheet or a text file with your keyword and then comma and then the search volume. And then just find where that is. I've got to find where I put mine for this demonstration. Here we go. Hit OK, and there you go. I've got my keyword and the search volume there. And what the software is going to do is it's going to find out the all in title, the number, and then the keyword golden ratio score. And then anything that comes back that's under 1, you can then go, like I said, write an article, maybe a Google Sites post, do a video, all this kind of good stuff. And you're sure to rank really high really quickly as well. And they soon add up. I mean, there's a lot of keywords just in this list. And as I say, don't be shy even if they say search volume 10. The number that you're getting back here is only for the search volume in one country. So if your niche is worldwide, then even the ones with low score are worth producing a bit of content for. Again, this ain't a technical demonstration on how to use the bot. When you sign up for the bot, there's plenty of videos. You also get email support and live support by Discord. We have a group. So for here, I would just put one thread. Now I'll talk about that in a second. Amount of keywords to check. I could put 80, fails loud 10. Capture, we'll talk about that in a second. And just for standard use, if that's all I wanted to do, like check one by one, then I could just hit run and we would be good to go. It's going to go and search each one of the keywords and give us the score back and then put it into the database. And once you've got them, you can just use the ones that have a score of 1 or under, and like I said, write content for them. Okay, so let me just go talk about some other features that are included in the full version. Let me just reload the screen. You are able to keep it really simple and just one thread, or get the score for one keyword at a time, one after the other, and that's all well and good. You can also expand on that if you have proxies that are talked about in the videos once you purchase the software. If you have proxies, you can run this on multiple threads, meaning the sky's the limit. You could run 10, 20, 30 threads. It's only limited by the power of your PC or your server. And you could check thousands of keywords potentially at a time. So don't be scared of all these extras like the 2 capture, the proxies. You only need to worry about this if you're planning to scale. Now, why you need this, sometimes when you use proxies, Google might throw up a capture, them dreaded recaptures. You can use a service such as 2 capture. They give you an API key. Again, you get full support, so don't worry if this is over your head or you don't understand. You put the API key here and the captures will automatically be filled out for you. Again, if you're running multiple threads, then you can use proxies. So again, explained in the membership section, you can add proxies and fingerprints, which gives each browser a different unique ID, so to speak, so that Google doesn't catch on to what you're doing. Again, this is only needed if you are planning to maybe check thousands, 10, 20, 30,000 keywords and multiple projects. Okay, but in the simplest form, you can just put in your keyword list and then it will spit out the keyword, it will give you the keyword score right there and then. It will check them one by one. It doesn't take long at all. And then you'll have a nice list where you can go and write content and you can be sure to rank really quickly. The other thing that the bot has is a scheduler. Now, the scheduler enables you to process different lists at different times. So you might have list 1, which is for one niche. Maybe you want it to run on a certain day or certain week or after the first, after the first list. So you can schedule, or maybe you've got clients and you want different lists scheduled at different times. It's also going to be useful for the update, which will be 3.0, which will also go and grab keywords for you without you needing to input them. So when you buy into the software, you're buying this for a lifetime of all the updates. We have our own group dedicated to support for the software, and anything that you guys want to see added to the bot is put on the shortlist onto a Trello board, and we're adding to it. For example, the biggest one is obviously for the bot to go and fetch keywords for you. So that's in the next update. Obviously, the price will go up when that's in. So I suggest if you're interested in buying the software, then get in now. The price that you see is for lifetime access. Also, just a note, we have a free version. It's limited to the number of keywords that you can check per run. There's some limitations on it, but if you just wanted to see make sure the bot works, anything like that, then wherever you are watching this, YouTube or on the website, there's a link in the description to be able to get a free version. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is I'll also, as I said, put a link to the article wherever you are, so you can really get in depth with what the keyword golden ratio is and how it can help your business. But the nuts and bolts of it are you input a list of keywords with a search volume that's 250 or under, and it's going to go and through the maths, which isn't very complicated. It's going to give you a score, and anything under 1, then that is considered a keyword that you can rank for straight away, in some cases within 48 hours or less. Now, all this is, in plain sight, this article, so you're probably thinking, well, I can find out here how to do the keyword golden ratio, which is absolutely true. But as far as I'm aware, there's no other software out there that gets the score for you for potentially thousands and thousands of keywords. So whatever niche you're trying to target, there's going to be keywords that match the criteria for the keyword golden ratio. So you'll be able to enter any niche and find the low hanging fruit. Um, for me, a video or maybe a Medium article is a really even quicker way to rank for your putting something on your blog. But again, many factors, depends on the age and power of your blog. But that's what the software does in a nutshell. If you want to check out the free version, get your hands on that. All the information is in the description. There's support. We have a group on Discord and Facebook, so you're able to join the group and get help. There's also videos once you sign up to show you how to use the bot. It's not very difficult to use, but all the information is there, and also a guide to proxies in case that you want to really scale this up and maybe you're interested in getting listed 20,000, 30,000 keywords and you want to schedule them over a week or so and use proxies and multi-threads. All that good stuff on how to do that is in the membership area, and the support is there. Okay, that's enough for me. I've rabbited on long enough. I hope that you see the value of this software, and I hope to speak to you in the membership area. Thanks a lot, guys.